This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Here's an interesting one. The client has just migrated from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4, and they have this toggle menu graphic or image showing up on every page in the back end of their administration area. Page loads, that shows up. Notice it's the graphic that matches this toggle menu. But anyways, what's causing this? I looked at a whole bunch of things and then did some Googling and found this post in the Joomla forum. And it turns out the solution down here is to turn off the sending stats to Joomla. Now, if we go back to the page and hit F12, Chrome Developer Tools, we see there is one error. And when we go over here and look at it, it does relate to sending stats. So I don't know why stats aren't being sent. I suspect something on this server is blocking the call out or something. I don't know. But here's the workaround so you can get rid of this blue box and get back to work. Go to System, scroll down, go to Plugins, Filter, scroll down, Filter for Stats, or even Stat. Scroll down, you'll see System Joomla Statistics, disable the plugin, and the box goes away. It's not a fix, it's just a workaround, but it gets rid of that blue box for now. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.